Hello everyone. Welcome to Impact of COVID-19 on Marketing Part 2. Today I will discuss about the impact of COVID-19 on various areas of marketing. Because as I told you that marketing is not a small thing, it's a big area in which we talk about product, we talk about consumer behavior, we talk about brand management, then we talk about integrated marketing communication, we talk about sales also, we talk about retail also, we talk about other various facets of marketing. So always remember that when we talk about that the impact of COVID-19 on marketing, then we have to understand that how these different areas will also be affected by COVID-19. Now let's start from consumer behavior. uh, Consumer behavior is a branch in which we try to understand that why, how, where, and how consumers select any product or uh, like finalize any product. So basically this branch is also very important because it is again going to be impacted by COVID-19. Now how is it possible? Because if you see, as we discussed in the part 1 also, that there are different types of products like essential and the non-essential. So you have to understand that essential and non-essential, how the demands will be impacted when we are talking in terms of the consumer behavior. Because consumer, of course, behavior is influenced by the different marketing initiatives which are taken by marketers. Now what are those initiatives? Of course, the marketing mixes which we say, and the other factors, influencing factors which again influence the consumer brain. See, we always assume that consumer brain is like a black box, and various factors, they affect the black box or the consumer mind, and consumer tend to take certain action. Now this is what we study in the consumer behavior. Now how COVID-19 is going to affect the consumer behavior, I would try to explain you that. Now the demand for the essential services will definitely be affected. Essentials products will definitely be affected because there are various marketers who are transacting offline and online also, but I tell you, the most consumption pattern you will see online and not offline. Why? Because there is a again customer psychology we study in the consumer behavior. So you need to understand the customer psychology, how the mental pattern has been changed of the customer. So that's why this again behavior part will be affected by COVID-19, and the demand for the non-essential services, of course, they will also be affected, and essential services will also be affected. See, essential services, as far as concerned, that is again bought by the customers as far as the need is concerned, because they are not actually going for the want. I tell you why. He's not going for the want because he wants to save himself. So if you say that the demand for the essential and the non-essential products, so they both are getting suffered because of COVID-19. So we need to understand that how it can be actually rectified. So that's why then another area comes, which is called brand management. Now this brand management is a branch of the marketing in which we just talk about how the marketing communication can be like furnished so that the customer can be influenced to buy any product. Now it is not just the influence only, rather many of the marketers, they want to engage with the customers by means of these type of brand communication. Now again, this brand management deals with the various strategies which any company can follow to influence the customer so that the good relationship with the customer be maintained. Now another area which we talk about in marketing, that is called retail management, because again retailers, they are also suffering a lot because of this kind of a scenario. So again, as far as the retail is concerned, they also can work on the branding part. They can work on the mixes, marketing mixes, because right now customer, they are in the survival mode. They would not like to buy more of the non-essential services or the non-essential products because they are in the survival mode. So so marketers need to understand that how the branding can be made, how the brand communication can be improved, so that this kind of a psychology of the customers can be changed. Now retailers, they also have to come out with certain marketing strategies in which they can influence the customer mind and customer can choose them. Now again, the overall, you can say, the transition is taking place, because as far as our country is concerned, we know that around 60% penetration is there in terms of the internet usage. It means 40% are still unattended. It means we have to actually look for those gaps, which are there and which can actually impact the marketer in reaching to the customers, because the customers, 40% customers, they are not using the online media. Now again, that is again a big challenge, for the marketers. And we know that during COVID-19, the main media which is frequently being used by the customers is the online or the digital media. So again, in the retail management also, lots of impact will take place. In another area which we talk about, that is called integrated marketing communication. Again, this area of marketing is also very important, because nowadays ads will not be talking about products more. Rather, they will be talking about to engage with the customers. Why? Because nowadays the customers are having the fear of COVID-19. So they would definitely not like to see, the different ads of the products and all, because they are, as I told you, they are in the survival mode. So we need to understand, how the marketers, they can influence the customers. So what they can do, they can, promote the products by bringing different, types of communication in which they can influence the customer, and they can actually, impact the customer psychology so as to extract the fear out from their mind. As you know that COVID-19 has actually, scared the customers terribly. So we need to understand that how the engagement strategies can be introduced so that such type of fear can be taken out from the customer mind. So in this, IMC will play a major role, and of course COVID-19 has impacted the IMC also. Lots of advertising agency, they are suffering because they are not able to get a proper kind of a revenue source, because again marketers, they have also restricted their advertising expenditures. So their advertising is taking place because again it's a part of a routine. So they are doing the advertisement, but will that be profitable? That is again a big question mark in this particular scenario I'm talking about. Then apart from this, we talk about other areas also of marketing. Digital marketing is again very important area in which most of the digital media will be used during COVID-19, and marketers will definitely try to make use of influencers, because influencers are one of the cost-effective method of engaging with the customers. And then apart from this, there are other areas like sales management is again important, because we know that sales are suffering a lot. As far as the non-essential products are concerned, sales are suffering a lot. The demand is quite low. So you need to work on to increase the sales. Now what will happen? The marketing, efforts will increase. They will try to create, more and more leads, and then this leads can be converted by the sales, to identify the prospects. So sales people will again be important, because they will have to understand that nowadays digital media is popularly being used. So they also need to manage the whole scenario of the marketing. So COVID-19 definitely is going to impact the sales management also. They'll have to improvise new strategies for influencing their customer, because customers will not be easily convinced in this scenario. So you need to again differentiate yourself, then only you will be able to influence your customer. So these are different areas of marketing, where you can see very well the impact of COVID-19 is quite visible, and this needs to be addressed in an efficient manner by the marketers, because marketers only they can change the whole scenario by their dynamism, because the differentiation can be brought by the marketers only, and the marketing actually can do wonders if it is taken in a very effective mode. So although the impact of COVID-19 is there in marketing, but it's not that the marketing cannot actually deal with it. Marketers, they are known for their dynamism, and they can definitely deal with this particular adverse scenario also, because they know that how the initiatives, the differentiation, the leadership, or you can say the repositioning strategies, how they can reposition their brands by taking certain different kind of a USP. So in this way, the whole, you can say, scenario of the marketing can be effectively positioned in the market. So that's what marketers need to be careful. Although the impact of COVID-19 cannot be undermined, that is visible, very very much visible in the market, but still companies, they can actually improvise some new strategies, some, you can say, specific strategies, because generally we talk about in IMC also that there are certain mass marketing programs which is used to attract the customers. But now the scenario has changed because of COVID-19, so you cannot actually go for a generic program. Rather, you have to go for some specific kind of a program through which you can actually influence your customer, because this is not the time to attract the customer. This is the time to make them make the customer. You have to understand the customers, and then only you can be able to make a long-term relationship with them, because this is the time which is quite grim. You have to understand the customer psychology, and then only the marketing initiatives will become successful. So that's all for today. Any input if you want to give, you can definitely drop your comments in the comment box below the video, and of course I will always like to welcome all the feedbacks. Thank you so much.